Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another programming logo lesson. This is from the extras, which you had to download from the SourceForge site. Let me show you the new one we're going to try. Today's program is called Snake, and you can get to it by going to the MT Tools folder. When it launches, we double click on the ModTech folder, the 01 logo folder, and then I have put them in the lesson 18 folder, and then I've also got them numbered, so here is number 9, the Snake. When you launch Snake, you will see the Snake shortcut. When you double click it, it plays the Snake games, but it is controlled by the I, J, K, M keys, which I have trouble working with. But what you do is you just try and get to the Snake without hitting the wall. You can see that was pathetic and I had a poor score. To start again, you can just close it and relaunch it. This time I'll get one. I hope. There we go. It is quite fun. It can be addictive. You can keep track of your scores, see if you're better than your friends. I have such a hard time with that M key. That's the one that I just can't get my finger in the right spot. But it is a fun game. And there I died again. So I'm going to close that and let me show you a bonus I made. So I was able to edit the code and check it out. I built one with the ASWD, and this one you'll only be able to get if you're in my room, but it is much easier to control and it makes it a lot more fun to play. Now if you're at home and you want to have this on yours, all you have to do is hit Edit All, and when you scroll through the code, find where the keys were coded. It did not take a whole lot of skill. I just went down and tracked down where the key presses were stored. This feels like it, but this is actually just the directions. If you slide down a little further, bam, there are your keys. There's a key for quit. If you were really fancy, you may be able to find the keys to even program this to work on the arrows, if that's what you wanted. So there you have it, friends, a fun Snake game made in FMS logo. You can actually edit the code. You can adjust it to see if you can make it more cool. That's one of the fun things, making a toolbar so you can start over. Those are easy things that I've taught you up in our lessons, so there's lots of room for you to extend this. If you've missed any of the other lessons, make sure you check them out here on the side, and thanks for watching, friends. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Mash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new movie from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.